I'm gonna start this game off.
Oh, roogity plorp plorp.
And I'm gonna do this for all the sake of YouTube, for people who will be on YouTube. I'm just gonna search around for everyone.
Yes, that's definitely a night dragon. And she has an Orville's
I gotta tell them.
Excuse me, night dragon? Hello. Hello. Oh, don't be scared. Wait, stop. I forgot to mention that night dragons, well, they're quite fast. Come on, we gotta catch her. Gliding away. We need to go faster. Magic stick, give me a word. Thanks. I need your help to read this word. Ash. What word is that? Yeah, dash. Wonder what that
I'm gonna try that out.
Well, let's find out. Wally Kazam! Wally Kazash! Magic sticks make us dash!
Okay. I'm gonna go switch my sister's username because she doesn't know her own password.
I guess dash
So,
means to run really fast.
I'm just gonna do that.
Everyone? I'm a little dizzy.
And change her skin? Why not? Because she literally looks like a bozo and I has got quite the skin. Still saying bye. Okay, that skin is not unveiled. I'll just go with Jen. Would Jen work? Would they like Jen? Yes, they like Jen. Finally!
Night dragon!
Register.
Hey, Norva!
There.
In the dark.
1.47.
Norval got his toy back! But where's the night dragon?
Wow. Well, people will soon figure out.
She's hiding. She looks a little scared.
Oh, VIP, it's nice to know
Sorry
that.
to chase you. But did you know that you had Norval's toy? Aw, I didn't know. It's okay.
Other than this,
Why don't
I'm
you
gonna
come up
be
and say hi?
recording on my papa's phone sooner or later. None of this is gonna work out,
She
cause
seems to want to stay in the dark, Wally. Wait a second.
wait, hold on.
Do you think the night dragon is
Butt
afraid of
alert.
the light?
He's a butt.
Yeah, the night dragon is afraid of the light, just like Norval was afraid of the dark.
It is horrible
That's
to be on lifeboat. What is that? Squid. 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 Word. Aha. Squid. Wait, hold on. Where's squid? Squid. Word.
It's not scary.
What the? What are you? Oh, ha, ha, you're a villager and I'm not. Lifeboat coins. Well, that's gonna stink.
They're so cute. I love it when animals are cute.
People are always asking.
What is all this racket? My goblin is trying to nap.
Yes!
I think it's time to get up now.
Now I need to start the recording over her.
Where's the peanut butter?
In there.
Peanut butter. Something with the water. Oh, stop.